in this video I'm gonna show you how to save Instagram filter photos in gallery. Firstly, if you go to your story site on your account, and for example if you go with this site, and now if you get and take that filter on it, in which as you can see right here it doesn't work so properly, because for example if it's like this one, if you change it right now you're gonna getting off from this side. This is why I'm gonna simply take that camera right now, and now if you go right here there and if you tap on this side, and simply if you get with this filter, and or yeah, I will go with this one. Now what you need to do, tap on the three dots on your right upper side, go save, and as you can see the photo has been saved. Now if you go to your gallery setup on your phone, go for gallery right over here, and as you can see on today's setup we have saved our site from filter photos in gallery.